just a funny topic.
I was standing next to a group of Asians and they're like, my nigga, my nigga,
Oh, yeah.
my nigga. I'm like, what?
Yeah.
Mind-boggling that's okay. But
Why is
okay.
it? Why though?
Because no one goes against it. How do you feel about someone calling you a nigga out of your race? Like, some black people accept that now.
It's just a funny topic, you know, like the N-word. I ain't never.
The N-word. Like,
To be honest, I grew up hearing that word. I grew up saying that word. I grew up in, like, you know, like that was like almost a name in the house sometimes. You feel me? Like she said, everybody's saying it now. It's just a word now.
No meaning to it?
Yeah, when I was younger, it meant something. I took it personal. If a white person called me nigga, or any race called me nigga that's not black, I'd probably get mad and probably want to fight. Just because like that's what I was taught.
What about now?
Now it's different. Like I hear people say nigga, like me, like I ain't gonna front. Like I say something, I'll probably check somebody. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why I do that. I just do it. You feel me? Like it happened like 2 weeks ago. You feel me? Like, I asked him if they say nigga in his house.
What's his response?
He said no. And then I said to him, why you say it? And then he was like, well, I always say it. I was like, well, who? He was like, well, you know. Like he just, you know, was just saying dumb shit. You know, and I was just fucking with him, like, but it really did make me mad because he was hella comfortable. Like, right. I hadn't seen this dude like once in my whole life.
What do you think, Ryan? What do you think?
Well, first off, I don't say that ever. I talked to Renee about it one night, and he said he wouldn't be, you know, at points he wouldn't be offended, you know, if I was to, but I would never do that. But then again, like, you know, growing up in a predominantly white community, like when I was growing up, I was never one of these types of people, but a lot of people started wearing tall tees and stuff like that. Like, you know your roots and know the community you grow up in because that's what you represent, you know, like, and never change the way you were brought up and never forget like where you're from. And I know I'm from a predominantly white community that, you know, I did have a couple black friends when I was younger, but that's never a word that I've thrown around lightly or that I ever will throw around lightly.
Right.
And the only reason is because I respect the word and I respect the people that have like fought for it and fought for the rights, because, you know, that's shit you learn, that's shit you take into consideration. We would never be to the point in society that we are today if it wasn't for, you know, people like MLK or, you know, Rosa Parks or anybody like that.
If you were black, do you think you'd be mad if you heard someone else say it?
Like another black individual or a different race?
Different race.
Absolutely, yeah, I'd be upset. Yeah, absolutely, why not?
Why not?
But also a lot of times it depends on how you use the word in context. You know, everything is about how you deliver it. You know, it's not what you say, it's like how you say it.
The word nigga means nothing anymore. Like everybody's saying, who cares? Like, you know, I'm not saying like
that's a shame for your race.
No, I know that it's a shame.
Like they fought for that word not to be thrown around like that. Like,
but like on some real shit. If you wasn't like respecting the word and shit, and you was one of the motherfuckers that be like, hey, what's up, nigga? And they're like, it's 4 of us right here, and none of us say nothing. It's our fault. It ain't your fault. It's one of us fault for being like, yo, what the fuck you just say? But you know, then you get into the motherfucker like, what? Well, you say it all the time. Well, I went to your house last weekend and you and your mama never say nigga. You know, it's no explaining it. Like maybe we do sound ignorant saying this shit, but we say it for some fucking reason. You feel me?